Welcome to the Texas Truck Channel. I'm Craig, and we're at the Houston Auto Show, and we get our first chance to play with the Maverick. We'll get it in full review soon, but for now, let's do a quick little walk around because this is an awesome little truck. New to the market, very similar to the old Ranger, if you remember that. The Ranger's grown over the years, the current one, but this is back to the kind of the old Ranger. We think it looks much better in person than you see on pictures or on video. In person, it works really well. It's just a good styled truck. So this is the Lariat FX4 edition. So that gets you, this is the 2-liter EcoBoost. You can also get a hybrid. 2-liter EcoBoost gets up to 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This is all-wheel drive, similar to the Bronco Sport driveline, but this one's a little different. You don't get the same rear end, but with the FX4 and towing package, you do get additional cooling and a different final drive ratio, so that's important. This is a pretty capable truck. It can tow up to 4,000 pounds. Up here, kind of very traditional, not too unorthodox Ford truck styling. A lot of people comparing this to the Santa Cruz. This is definitely more truck looking. It is smaller and it is lower to the ground, but it's obviously a truck. You're not going to have to explain to anyone what it is versus the Santa Cruz. Maybe people are going to be asking, what is that? This doesn't look like a Bronco Sport with a bed. It looks like a truck all on its own. Unique to the Lariat is we have the radar cruise control that's only available in the Lariat. You can't get that in the XLT, you can't get that in the XL. The other good thing with the FX4, you get tow hooks. You don't get those. They're not painted red, so I don't know if they're functional, but you only get that with the FX4 package. You can't get that with anything else. You also get LED treatment with the Lariat. That's pretty cool as well. You do get some mildly aggressive Pirelli Scorpions, but again, tires always show intent. We talk about on our channel here, and these are very mildly aggressive. This is not made to be an off-roader. Don't let the FX4 badge fool you. The reason to get the FX4 badge is the additional cooling and capability that it gives you. You do get an additional drive mode as well. What I love about the Maverick compared to some of the other new Ford models is this keypad is integrated. It's just not tacked on somewhere. It looks like it's integrated and built in. That's nice. Unique treatment they did here with the pickup bed style. We love how they did this. It's hard to do. The Ridgeline struggled with that. They actually put a fake line in there. This one, I think they integrated it really well and it works. The other good news is you need to put stuff on top and you need it protected there, so you need that plastic. We don't have a dampened tailgate back here, but it is very functional. So you can adjust this, put it in different spots so it sits, and you can put a sheet of plywood. You also get 2 bottle openers. So if you get 2 buddies drinking a bottle, you're good, no problem. You get the little pigtails so you can do accessories for any additional lighting or who knows what else you might come up with. The cool thing about what the Ford team has done with the Maverick is they really have done a good job of DIY everything in this. So you can DIY bed accessories, you take a picture and scan that, and you can get ideas for different things you can do. That's really cool, from the interior to a lot of things in the bed to cheap bike racks. And then users themselves, you go on the forums now, there's all kinds of unique ideas people are doing with the Maverick to DIY some stuff. Very functional. Yes, it's a small bed, but it's very functional. The other good thing about the Maverick is it's small, but the payload is high. This payload is right at Power Wagon levels. I mean, think about that. And better than Raptor levels. So just something to think about. All right, on to the interior. Yes, it's basic, yes, it's simple, but it's very functional. And so this is the loaded up option. This is the Lariat with the Lariat Luxury package. You get the leather steering wheel. Again, you get the radar cruise control, you get the Bang & Olufsen sound system. And I love what they've done here with the little display in the middle. It's, you got Brian's wallet holder there, or there, we're not sure. Again, one of the great cool things about the Maverick is they really want the user to come up with some things. Like this hole here, they call it the "we're not sure" hole on the forums, and they actually 3D printed some things that fit there that hold. You can put a cell phone clip, you can do all kinds of cool things with that. It's really neat. Continuing on through the interior, it's hard to see maybe with the lighting, but there's a cell phone spot there, there's a charger there. They really thought everything through. The door, you've got bottle holders for hiking and adventuring and all that fun stuff. And it's just a comfortable place to be. Really well thought out, not the most premium, but very functional. Let's move to the back and show you how much room this small truck has. All right, so I'm sitting behind myself here. You can see plenty of room. The other cool thing about this is you can get an actual armrest in this little truck. This is really a good space, plenty of headroom. I could sit back here comfortably. I don't have a too vertical of a seating position. This is a comfortable place to be. And with that, thanks for watching. We really enjoy you tuning in. Stay tuned for more. We're gonna have this thing soon. If you have questions for the Ford Maverick you want us to investigate more, we will do it. Just hit like and subscribe and save a puppy.